my name is Lathika, and today it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Stop. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Iyappan Lathika, and I'm from Singapore. And today I'm here to share with you about my experience about COVID-19 in Singapore. So to start off, COVID-19 is now a normal flu, and our lives now has become like a new normal. And today I'm here to share about some problems that we face in Singapore. So one of the biggest problems that we faced in Singapore was transaction, where we had to go from everything manual to digital. And we had to do that within a week, where teachers had to change from normal lessons to online lessons. They had to prepare PowerPoint slides, and they had to try to make our Zoom lessons engaging. And
It's okay to refer.
I'm done already.
It's okay, yes.
I'm way off what I wanted to say.
You want to start again?
I'm clueless.
No, let me stop it. It's okay. Whenever you're ready.
Hello everyone, my name is Lathika, and I'm from Singapore. I am here to present to you all about some my COVID-19 experience in Singapore. First off, to start off, Singapore has faced a lot of challenges, but today I'll pick one or two problems to share with you all. One of the problems that Singapore faced was transaction problem. So they had to move from normal technical to digitalization. Where, for example, let's take teachers. Teachers had to transition from teaching in classrooms to teaching in Zoom lessons. They had to learn how to use Zoom platforms and other platforms like Google Classroom, just so that our lessons will be more engaging and so that we don't get bored off. As coming from a student's perspective in that view, I had a very fun lesson with my teachers, where I actually found interesting that students can teach teachers during this time where we are more into technology. We had a chance to help out our teachers. Another thing that we face is mental illness problems. People were not able to cope with the circuit breaker during that time, and they faced a lot of problems. So that, for example, one of the cases was they were due to the high fake news spreading and other news that was spread around, they panicked, and they overbought some basic needs like toilet rolls. And so I would say that we should all be mentally ready for whatever is going to happen continuously after this, and we should appreciate whoever was in our way. Like, for example, teachers who did their best to make our lessons engaging, frontline workers who did their best, even though when we were at home they were taking care of the COVID-19 patients. And we should appreciate ourselves, where we were adhering to the rules of the government, and we took the vaccination when they told us. So as of today, 89.7% of the entire world has been vaccinated already, fully vaccinated. So last but not least, I would like to thank the audience for their great attention, and we are in this together, and we will get through this period together. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Iyappan Lathika, and I am from Singapore. Hope everyone is having a great day so far. I'm here to share about my COVID-19 experience in Singapore. So, you all know COVID-19 is like a normal flu now, and it has become our new normal. Firstly, I would like to share some of the problems Singapore faced. Our first confirmed case was on 23 January 2020. Since then, the numbers has drastically increased from 2 to 2.19 million as of today. Due to the sudden implementation of circuit breaker on 7 April 2020 to 9 August 2021, it has drastically affected many Singaporeans to be mentally challenged. Moreover, both circuit breakers and fake news has caused many Singaporeans to panic and overbuy many basic necessities like toilet paper. For example, once I went to a supermarket with my parents. When I went to the shelves there, most of the shelves were empty. I was surprised. Due to the sudden change, many of us had to change adapt and change to a new lifestyle. I'm sure everyone had a tough period during this time. I'm pretty sure y'all can recall when y'all had online lessons in Switzerland. I hope y'all had a good online lesson. I will now share how it was in Singapore. So in Singapore, teachers had less than 1 week to get used to the digital platforms like Zoom, Google Classrooms, so that our lessons will be engaging. And for me, as from a student perspective, I would tell my teachers that put in a lot of hard work so that we can have good and engaging lessons. And for me, one of the most memorable moments was when I was able to help my teachers to help them to figure out how to use free raise hand option. And next, I would like to thank Singapore government, frontline workers, and everyone who have put in their part for their hard work and dedication. Singapore government has given out free masks, ART kits, and hand sanitizer so that we will be free from COVID-19 cases. Moreover, it has placed temperature-taking machines all over Singapore so that they can reduce the COVID-19 cases. And it implemented new tokens called Trace Together tokens so that it can have easier contact tracing so that there will be lesser COVID-19 cases. So when we are in a close contact with a COVID-19 patient, we will be immediately informed and we have to take an ART test, which help our COVID-19 cases decrease. And I'm pretty sure all our country leaders have played an important part in decreasing our COVID-19 cases. Moreover, Singapore did an amazing job in making us entertain. They have virtual performances, virtual tours, so that we will not be bored from home during our holidays. Thus, in conclusion, we should take care of our mental health and appreciate those who really put in their hard work to help us. So, I will personally thank the frontline workers, the government, and yourself for mainly listening and following the rules and vaccinating yourself even though it's scary for some of us. And I would say, as of today, 89.7% of Singapore is being vaccinated already. And lastly, we all should be mentally ready for another wave of virus. Thank you for being a wonderful audience and hope you enjoyed my sharing. We are in this together and we will get through this together. Thank you.